Hey guys, I welcome you again to our channel Logging Giants. So for today's topic, I'll show you how to turn on active status on Instagram. It will help our friends to know that we are online and it will definitely make our communication better. So start by opening your Instagram account. There, go to your profile section. Again, go to the top right corner of this three bar here and press settings on the first menu. Then go to the privacy option on the third row. There you will see this activity status on the second last option. You will press this. As you can see, it is off now. And when you turn this on, all the people that you have followed or maybe your followers will be able to see that you are online or when you were last active. So if you want to let them know that you are active, then turn this on. And after doing so, all the people will know that you are online and they can see that green mark on your profile. So that's it people, that is how it is done. Do follow our page and comment down below what you want to see next, and we will see you in our next upload.